Hey guys, welcome back to Data with Dominic and specifically our PySpark playlist. And today we're going to be looking at the starts with and ends with functions in PySpark. This is quite an easy function, so let's dive right into the demo. So I'm here in my Databricks Community Edition, and I've basically read a data frame from a CSV file, and then I'm displaying the data frame. And as you can see, it's quite simple. We've just got an ID column, first name, last name, email, gender, and marks column. So it's a very basic column. And then we're gonna see how to use the starts with. So what the starts with does is it basically allows us to return all the rows in which a particular column on which we are filtering starts with a particular character. All right. So suppose we wanted to return all rows in this data frame where the first name starts with the letter A. This is the perfect function to use. And how it's used is, for now ignore the display because that's just to get the output. But the highlighted part is the important part. We do a data frame.filter on the data frame into which we've read our CSV. So after filtering, we open the parenthesis and then we write data frame.firstName to specify which column we want to filter based upon. And then we do a dot starts with A. Right, so let's run that, and as you can see, we can get the we get all the rows in which the first name begins with the letter A. And similarly with ends with, it just works inversely. If you specify which character you want, it will return all the rows where the first name ends with that particular character. And you can specify multiple situations as well. Suppose we want AL, so we get all characters where all rows where the first two characters of the first name column are these particular characters. So, and similarly with ends with, we can specify as many as we want, and the final characters will match those. Alright, so that's how we use the starts with and ends with functionality in PySpark. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.